Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. We now have issue 121 of Eagle Moss's fan home Build the Delorean. Now, you'd have thought with it being 121 or 1.21 gigawatts, it would have been a pretty good special issue to do something really fantastic. Unfortunately not. We have the exhaust cowling and the pipe. And that's all we've got. I don't even have the reactor platform up here, as you can see, because we don't need it this time. All we're doing is attaching that pipe to that cowling. And as you can tell, I'm dragging this video out for as long as possible, but without further ado, let's get building. So, issue 121, and it's so complicated, this one. We've got the two parts, as you can see there, and we need quite a few pictures, obviously, to explain what we're doing. So we've got this pipe, we've got the cowling, and just in case we didn't know what that meant, it shows us here with it actually in the place, and then the final finished product. So hopefully we can manage to get through that without too many complications. So we've got that part, and we have that part. Now, what we're doing, we've got this pipe. This one's got a 90-degree bend, one's got like a 45-degree bend. It's the 90-degree bend that we want to put into that hole just there. And then the 45-degree bend is going to go into that bit just there. Just make sure that's pushed all the way in, like so. And that's what that's looking like. And that's all we need to do in issue 121. We're not even attaching it to the reactor platform, as I said. We've got all the little vents and things to come next time round. So that's it. Well, I hope you liked that exciting issue where we attached a pipe to the cowling. Sorry, I couldn't make it any longer, even though they dragged the instructions out over what, three or four pictures was it? But that's it. We've got another one of those to do. Can you believe it? How exciting is that? Anyway, sorry, I tried to drag this video out for as long as possible. I couldn't make it any longer. If you want to see more of how the Delorean progresses and not just the cowling, please do remember to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell. And hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.